DLC Hairokna Max Trophy gi mapu oikre Hairok United Cricket Club Hairokna senduna team tarani thoina saru yaduna thasi gi amadagi Hairok Part 2 Polo Ground da satarakiba Max Trophy led Ningthokzam Hemanta Allies Naubi Memorial First State Level Tennis Ball Cricket Tournament 2026 gi mapu DLC Hairokna oibangamkri Winner oikraba DLC Hairokna medal amadi trophy ga loinana selgi mana lupa lising yankai aduga runners up takraba Street Gang Moizingna medal amadi trophy ga loinana selgi mana lupa lising kontra gi mana sing phangki tournament asigi ngasi sanakiba final match ta DLC Hairokna toss ngamduna hana batting paiduna ahanba innings sanabada apiba over 15 gi manungda over 13.5 da wicket 10 turaga upon run chama lawangki masigi paukumda anishuba innings sanakiba Street Gang Moizingna over 15 da wicket mapan turaga supnagi run marfuga mathoi khak lobangam ngambadagi match adu DLC Hairokna run 18 da mai pak pangamki tournament asigi man of the match DLC Hairoki player Makak Mayum Aziz Mirjana taki Player of the tournament na DLC Hairoki Said Hussein, Best Batter of the tournament na HUCC gi and Rohit, Best Bowler of the tournament na DLC Hairoki Danish Khan Amadi, Best Discipline Team na HUCC na Taduna Trophy Amadi Selgi Mana Singh Funky. Tournament asigi ngasi Lushinbagi Thoramda Imphal West ki Deputy Commissioner M Rajkumar IAS, Former Minister M Okendro, 3rd IRB COS Hemanta MPS, Settlement Department ki Director David Alangbam, Millennium School ki Founder Pangajam Robin, RIMS ki Assistant Superintendent Dr. Lashram Trinity Maitei, DM University ki Assistant Professor Rajkumar Chinkai, Thobal Jila Parishad ki Adhyaksha KH Shobha, Atai Pradhan Singh Jila Parishad Member Singh Amadi, Tournament adugi donor imung manung Singh na athoiba mithungnan Singh oina sarug yaduna trophy medal Amadi selgi mana Singh yenthoki.